Welcome back to the Max Bupa Walk for Health, the live broadcast here on Times Now. The Bombay initiative, the Bombay leg of the second edition of the Max Bupa Walk for Health is just about coming to a close. Most of them are towards the finish line of completing their 5 kilometer and 2 kilometer walk. But right now with me, along with Atya and Tina, is also Mr. and Mrs. Lakdawala, who kilometer walk this time around.
Yes.
How was it?
Oh, it is always great. We have always enjoyed walking since last 15 years. And it's a complete package of health and happiness. So India, keep walking. And
Keep walking, yes. And this is the second edition. You were there in the first edition also.
First edition.
You see more number of people and, more enthusiasts coming out on the street.
Yeah, I think this location wise also, this Bandra Fort location is absolutely very good and, much better than what we had last year in BKC. And it was really crowd was very positive and, it gave a lot of positive energy to all the people around and we really enjoyed it.
Generally, how is it? It's the husband and wife who like to walk with each other, or you've got other people and group also?
No, we walk in group. We have other friends also.
Yes.
And we enjoy walking.
Good, but today I see the husband-wife walking together, so was it good?
We always walk together and, we have been walking since last maybe more than over 20 years. So we really enjoy walking.
Well, that's it, Mr. and Mrs. Lakdawala completing successfully the second time they've taken part in this Max Bupa Walk for Health, the second very edition. So they're there. We look forward to seeing you next year too. Earlier, we also caught up with Sonam Kapoor. Take a listen to what she had to say about the Max Bupa Walk for Health.
Sonam, welcome to Max Bupa Walk for Health.
Thank you.
Lovely Sunday morning, and you've taken this step to step out of the house, get in action, come here. Tell us about it.
Well, I'm really very excited about the turnout. It's brilliant. And anything to encourage good health, and because honestly I really believe health as well.
Right.
And I think with such sedentary lifestyles that we lead these days, walking and just moving is something that we take something for granted. And I think just to inspire people to walk, which is basic, is brilliant. So I'm quite excited about this walkathon.
Sonam, there's so many different kinds of exercise regimes. Do you endorse walking personally?
I think walking is the safest and the healthiest way to kind of stay healthy.
Yeah.
A child can do it, and a really old person can do it, and a young person can do it.
Right.
It can also clear your head, that's your time to yourself. I think it's quite cool.
Right. Do you plug in your music and earphones and
I'm very excited about the music that's playing right now. Brilliant music. I feel like I'm in a nightclub, but in a very healthy one.
Yeah, I know. It's like a morning walk with the nightclub music.
Yeah, that's brilliant.
You need that for the energy.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, do you like walking when you go abroad, when you travel? Do you take that walk?
Yeah, I love it. I love walking. That's one thing that I really miss when I'm traveling.
All right. What is the one message you would like to give across to all the people who participated today?
I think I'm very happy you guys are here, and keep walking and keep taking care of yourself and be healthy and be happy.
I hope you're a part of this next year and the coming year.
Yes, I hope so too.
Thank you.
Well, you heard Sonam Kapoor there as she flagged off the event in Mumbai. Here in Delhi, it was, of course, Sania Mirza. Lots of wonderful things have happened today. The 5 kilometer walk, the 2 kilometer walk. We've seen people from all walks of life, various groups come out, corporates, children, school kids, people, neighbors from one colony, and people like the people around me right now who are here together because of one cause. Now, let's find out what brought them here today.
We are here to create an awareness that it's very important for a child that he gets a basic need of food. That is what we are supporting here. Malnutrition is a very big problem in India.
That's your cause. But what brings you to be part of an event like a walk for health today?
We want people to know, and not just know, because Indians, common men, everyone know that there are so many problems which are related to a child, but we aren't acting on it. So we are here to meet with our friends, with our fellow countrymen who want to work and who want to really contribute to this cause and make India proud that it doesn't suffer from any of these problems.
Well, apart from being here, I hope you all had a good time today.
Exactly. Yes.
Will you be back again next year?
Surely, we're coming back every year. It's gonna be taking place. So we are back. We love walking, and yes, we're walking for a cause, and yes, we're supporting CRY.
Okay, thanks very much for being here. Well, it's winding down here in Delhi. Let's go across to my colleague Atya in Mumbai.
Well, today's walkathon is not only about walking for health, but it's also walking for a cause, because we have with us the members of the Kasturi Foundation. Geeta, why don't you tell us a little about this?
Hi, I'm Geeta. I represent Kasturi Foundation. It is a foundation which brings
awareness about cancer. We bring awareness to people. People are scared of cancer, but we want to propagate that cancer is 100% curable. In a few years from now, it's just going to be a zodiac sign and not a disease. And this is Kasturi Foundation. This is where what I represent. And this month being awareness for breast cancer, we have been holding many camps the whole month, and we have been wearing pink ribbons, and we hold many free camps.
Right. So tell us something that this was the cause, but how did you find the walk? Did you enjoy the walk?
The walk was great, and I would like to thank Max Bupa for giving us this great platform, because one of the main reasons, one of the main ways to avoid breast cancer is brisk walking. So people get on, wear your shoes and start walking. And at 40 years, all women should go in for a mammography, and personal testing is the only way to avoid cancer.
Right, well, a lot is happening here in Mumbai, but let's go to our colleague in Delhi, Griha. Well, Griha has some more people lined up for you in Delhi. So over to you, Griha.
Well, there you go. I've just about made my way to the finish line, along with bringing you this live broadcast. Even I have, along with a lot of the other walkers, thousands of them who have come. Close to about 9,000 registrations we've had in Mumbai itself. Overall, close to about 20,000 registrations between Delhi and Mumbai. It's been a phenomenal turnout in the second edition of the Max Bupa Walk for Health. I myself have done quite a bit of a walk, along with bringing you this live broadcast, along with chatting with a lot of people. There are some celebrations happening right behind me, just in front of the finish line. These are the people who have completed their walk. They are enjoying themselves. Right. What's the celebration about? About completing 5 kilometers?
About everyone finishing.
Everyone finishing, or especially him?
Especially him. We thought he stopped on the way, but he's back.
So you walk 5 kilometers?
Yes.
So you enjoyed yourself?
Yes.
You think you're going to do it more often?
Yes.
No, we had Kimapa on the way.
If he wakes up in the morning.
Please take a recording. We will need it later on.
What is happening next?
Well, you're live on air at this point in time, so he's made a commitment to all our viewers who's watching that you're going to walk more often. So will you do it more often?
Yeah, more often.
So now we've got it on record, we've got live on television. It's been phenomenal. The spirit is amazing, and even as they've finished walking 5 kilometers, they are still enthusiastic. They're looking forward to the next edition of the Max Bupa Walk for Health. Tina, how's the spirit in Delhi?
Well, Anand, I can tell you one thing. This day has kick-started something of a good habit for all of us Delhiites here. I can speak for myself. I participated along with you in the Max Bupa Walk for Health last year. It started off an absolutely brilliant Delhi regime, which I'm following to this day. So I'm very happy to say that I've been part of it in spirit, and so have everyone else here, the 10,000 plus people here in Delhi today. Let's hope they carry it forward every single day till the Max Bupa Walk for Health next year. Back to you, Anand.
Well, as we wind up this broadcast, we have to thank all our sponsors for all the initiative, the Rotarians who have come and they've promised they're going to come. We're live on television. We've got to thank the police, the Mumbai police, the traffic police for helping with the arrangements, the Mumbai Municipal Corporation also. Special mention to all of them. Our sponsors, Yakult Milk, and we also had our mineral water bringing us nutrition, nourishment to all the walkers. Thank you very, very much to all our sponsors and to all our viewers. Thanks for tuning in. To all our walkers, thanks for walking the Max Bupa Walk for Health. Bye for now.